Struggling to figure out if your MOSFET is good or bad without guessing? You're in the right place. Welcome to DIY Electronics Lab. In today's video, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step method to test a MOSFET and know for sure whether it's working or needs replacement. No expensive gear required. And here's a promise. By the end of this video, you'll never have to second-guess a faulty MOSFET again. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss another practical, time-saving electronics tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's get to work. First, set your multimeter to diode mode, and use your positive and a negative probe to test as shown in the video.
I see you watching, I see you watching. I see you watching, I see you watching.
You see, this one is showing 0.524 ohms, that means this one is okay. And this one is showing 5.6 ohms, that's mean this one is faulty. And this one is also showing 0.24.1 ohms on gate pins, that's mean it also faulty.
Your words like static in the dark, coding message to my heart. If I go in electric static current, tearing me apart. The city glows in neon blue, but all the light reflects from you. A signal breaking through the noise, a frequency I can't destroy. Let's go through memories we made, a digital parade, a ghost of touch, a promise laid in every single word we say. And now the rhythm's taking hold.
And this one is good. If it show 0.350 ohms to 550 ohms on drain and source pins, that means it's okay.
This voltage running through my veins, erasing all the sense and pains. You're the glitch in my design, a fatal and a perfect line. You never see my spell.
You see, this one is also okay.
Silence in this room screams of the space you left behind. I trace the faded outlines where your jacket used to lie. So don't just say you love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. With the truth I can feel in the dark. And please, after all this time, show me you missed me. With the cracks in your voice, with the beat of your heart. You hit
And this one too.
the map of every scar upon my soul. Come put the pieces back together.
And let me bring another one to show you again. You see, this one is showing continuity on all pins. That's mean it completely dead.
Took my whole world and made it worthwhile. We were just two hearts with nothing to prove.
Here is another faulty one.
From a moment so true. us, but they didn't know us. Two souls that found home in the chaos. This is our love story. Hey,
And this one is good.
every chapter written in the choices we made. Through the storms and the calm, through the joy and the pain, I'd still choose you again and again.
This is all the good ones.
Our love story.
And all the bad ones are thrown away.
Every word you speak, I still feel. No need for
And that's how you quickly and confidently test a MOSFET. No guesswork, no confusion. So here's the takeaway. If your MOSFET passes these checks, it's good. If it fails, you've just saved hours of troubleshooting. If you found this solution helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you're always ready for the next repair challenge. Coming up in the next video, I'll show you how to test all kinds of MOSFETs, including those on PC motherboards and laptops. That's a game changer for board-level repair. So turn on the notification bell right now and stay ahead of common failures before they slow you down. Thanks for watching DIY Electronics Lab. Let's keep fixing